cup of flour and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Quarter cup packed brown sugar. Quarter cup rolled oats. Four tablespoons softened butter, room temperature butter. One and 3/4 cup flour. Half a cup sugar. One and 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon salt. Two eggs beaten. One cup milk. Quarter cup melted butter. Quarter cup canola oil. Teaspoon vanilla. Teaspoon of lemon zest. 1 cup blueberries, frozen. Ready?
Yeah, it's running. The smiley face. Ooh, evil looking.